Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. So guys, I'm popping in here today because this is not a craft video. Normally you don't see me in my videos, but today I'm just dropping in to talk about this latest Cricut machine that I have got my hands on. And before I proceed forward, I would like to say that this is not a sponsored video. I'm just so excited to share about this new Cricut machine that I have got. So Cricut basically builds machines for cutting purposes, and you can work with a lot of materials, vinyl, paper, and so many other different kind of materials. But my primary purpose is to do paper cutting with it and experiment on it. So the model that I have got is Cricut Explore 3. They have in total 6 models, but this is the one which I have got. It's a little on the expensive side, but it's well worth its price. So previously this machine was not available for purchase in India. You had to get it from outside, get it through customs and all. There was a lot of cost involved, but now they have collaborated with Itsy Bitsy brand in India, and now this machine is available for purchase. So if you guys want to buy, there are many price variants available, and you can choose the machine which you want. So I'll be uploading a lot of projects with this machine, and right now I'm experimenting with a lot of stuff. So if you guys have questions or if something you want to see built on this machine, please feel free to drop in the comments. But right now, enjoy the unboxing of this Cricut Explore 3.